Hi there, I'm Frank.
And I'm Gina.
And we are the Northwest Travelers. And today we're going to answer the 10 quarantine questions. So, the first one is, how many rolls of toilet paper do you have at this moment?
Oh, and he counted them, and there are 59.
The next question number 2. What has been the biggest change since the lockdown? What do you think? Just the travel, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, we're in the state of Washington, and the governor did order, the stay-at-home order, so that's what we've been doing. So the travel is probably the biggest thing we miss.
Yeah.
Okay, and you want to do number 3?
Where are you currently parked or docked?
We are at our lake property, if you've watched our videos. We purchased this property clear back in 2009 when we were first starting to plan for retirement. Probably one of the best decisions we ever made. We knew when we weren't traveling we were going to want a home base to come home to and relax, or just not travel for a little bit. Well, with this,
Here we are.
here we are. All right, question number 4. What have you gone without?
Nothing. Socializing.
Yeah, I mean, socializing.
Seeing new people.
Yeah, meeting new people on the road, yeah. Otherwise, I mean, I guess we have everything we need here. And,
We do.
yeah, we've got each other.
We do.
And we've got the dogs. So.
Plenty of entertainment.
Yes.
All right, number 5. What are you most grateful for?
There we go. Well, I guess during this lockdown, we're healthy. We've been self-isolated out here at the lake, so we've been staying healthy and staying away from people. What else?
And we do get to sneak up and see the grandkids every once in a while.
Yeah. And then we have an extra dog here. Go home. I don't know who you belong to. Hold on. Get.
That's the one that was running loose last night.
Number 6. What do you miss the most?
Being in a warm, sunny location and traveling from one to the other.
As you can see, we're up here in Washington State. We're both wearing hoodies today. Yeah, it's cloudy. There's a little bit of a wind blowing. And what is it? It's only about 50 degrees, 54?
Yeah, it's maybe 54.
Yeah, about 54 degrees. So yeah, missing those sunny, warm locations. Man, I can't wait to get back down there into some warm weather. Go ahead.
How long has it been since you've been at a campsite?
Well, that would be when we were on our way home from a nice, sunny, warm location out of Arizona. We were coming up the Oregon coast, and the last campsite was in Tillamook, Oregon. That was our last campsite we stayed at. That was back on March 7th. That's when we spent the night there. Number 8. What's your favorite quarantine food?
Well, that was kind of hard. My first spontaneous response was the cinnamon streusel that we love so much.
Yes.
But then again, the deep fried chilies were really good. How are you exercising or working out?
Oh my gosh. Like I say, if you've been watching our videos, I'm chopping wood, stacking wood, clearing the lot, just getting things cleaned up around here.
I try to help, or I run to the neighbors to get away.
So she gets her exercise walking over to the neighbors.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we don't do a workout routine or anything. Tell by my stomach. Number 10. Who are you challenging next? Well, we're pretty new to YouTube, and everybody we know has already done the 10 question challenge, so we really don't have anybody to challenge here at this time. So that's it. There's our 10 questions. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Appreciate it. Have a great day.